Hello there. Today we are making butter for our in-person lab. Also, the people who are in person will be making pancakes, which might be pretty easy for you to make at home. But I will send along some bread so that you can put it on and make some toast with your homemade butter. So go ahead and open your slide deck here. And it's pretty simple and straightforward today. It talks a little bit about what butter is and what we need. It's just heavy whipping cream in a jar with a lid, and then we're going to shake it up, and then time and see how long it takes for it to happen. Now I'm going to tell you that what happens here is while we're shaking, it gets pretty thick because it is whipping cream, so it'll turn into basically like a thick cream before it separates. So you're not going to be able to hear it slosh around anymore for a while, and you want to keep shaking, and you want to listen carefully to hear it start to slosh again. There's going to be a break point where the whey starts to separate from the butter, and if you're not paying attention and you're shaking it too vigorously, you can actually go through and reincorporate the whey back into the butter. So just watch it as you go ahead and open it however many times you want. And keep an eye on it, and once you start to see liquid coming off of it, shake it a few more times to get some of that whey off, and then scoop the solid out and put it on a plate or something. You can salt it. We are used to salted butter, so that's a little bit of salt would be fine. And then answer the questions. How much time did it take you to make it? And the conclusionary questions at the end, and then go ahead and submit. Have a fantastic short week and enjoy your break.